New item in. For the print shop.
So we got this shipped to my mom's house, and this is a new item we're adding to the print shop. Well, for our Epson DTG printer.
Uline. Ah, okay. So y'all be with Uline, huh?
I'll probably just get their shipping supplies from you.
Make it shorter. They ain't gonna break.
Well, it's glass.
Uh-oh. Let's get it. Been wanting this one for a minute.
So this is, what size is that again?
16 by 20, the biggest size you can get.
So that's a 16 by 20 platen. So you can do like full size print
prints on t-shirts.
on shirts or hoodies or whatever. Because we currently have the, it's 14 by 16, right? 14 by 16. So this is a 16 by 20. And then we're going to get the smaller one, which is it 5 by 7?
The smallest one is 4 by 4, but nobody.
Oh,
and then
4 by 4.
5 by 7, and then the 10 by 12, and then 14. Okay, bubble wrap. Boy, I thought I heard something crack. I was, oh, no.
So we're going to go ahead and bring this to the print shop and test it out. We've already been doing full-size print because our friend has the 16 by 20 platen. So now we actually, and we just borrow his, now we actually have one of our own.
Shout out to our mentor.
So we don't have to borrow his anymore.
Ooh, ours a little.
Well, that looks different.
Ours a little, nah, it's just ours is brand new. His used to look like this too.
But was it always white on the
That's what I'm saying.
side?
Ours is super white because it's brand new.
But his is black, isn't it?
Nah, his is white too, I think. I think so. I can't remember.
Ours is not even white.
Yeah,
Or
ours
16
is
by.
black, huh? Yo, now,
That's pretty big.
come on. Been waiting on this joint. It might not look like nothing, but wait till you see the prints it's gonna do. You're like, oh, that's something.
All right, on to the print shop. So we're here at the shop and we are actually using our new 16 by 20 platen. So we're printing this design right now on a shirt. So it's gonna be full size. This guy. He's dancing to no music.
That's just like that. You got another hole? Another hole, the hole gonna be too big. Well, it might, go ahead.
Take it out, yeah, take it out.
But it ain't gonna, you gotta take those out too.
Oh, there's a flashlight. Is it even? It's not even?
It's even.
Or do the next one.
It's even over here.
So this is how it looks when you print with a 16 by 20 platen. This is a size
Continue then.
large
Continue to make a hole so you can
shopper.
see it. Keep going. No, keep going.
No.
Can't even fit in the It's quite a mess. But this shirt, and this shirt was all printed with the 16 by 20 platen. You can see the difference. And this is actually, what is this? This is actually a small, and this is a large. So if I hold this up against this, let me see if I can do both. You can see the difference. Okay. It's a lot going on here. I will film this again tomorrow so you can see the final wall. How's it going, Kev?
That's tired. It's 11 o'clock at night.
Got you working.
We've been here since what, 4, 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, getting ready for the show. The grand opening store tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
So you gotta do, put in hours to get what you want.
It's 10:16 at night, and we're trying to make some floating shelves to put on this wall so he can put some shoes on there, display some shoes on there and sell some shoes. We have a pop-up shop, or he has his grand opening tomorrow here, so they're trying to make some floating shelf, and we are putting shirts back there, trying to stock up for tomorrow. Not sure why you did it last minute. Why did you do it last minute?
Do what last week?
All this shelves and
Yeah, we just
restocking.
Damn, I'm doing so much shit.
So I'm probably gonna post this video after the pop-up shop. But
When you take over, you got it.
if you're in Houston, you can stop by the shop/store
Oh, shit.
and shop 1921 Movement. This
Yeah,
is
we
all
use
his
that.
shirts. Yeah, so
The camera.
good.
Oh, fuck.
We put it too. We're supposed to put it over. You recording? Oh, shit.
Raw and uncut.
Shit.
What happened?
It's too close to the wall. We did the whole time. We were talking about doing it right here. We did that shit. We just excited. God.
Take two. All right, let's see if it fits. They found this method on
Let's
YouTube.
go, Kale. Together on 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1.
And this is how you make a floating shelf.
They need another.
No,
They need another
no,
one.
you good.
Is it done?
Mhm.
Let me see.
I probably need one more screw.
Oh, okay. Floating shelf.
Shoes.
Shoes. Nigga ain't got no shoes in here?
As well as the left shoe, too. You ain't putting the clamp on? Back on there?
So if anybody's interested in these shoes, comment below. These shoes are for sale.
That's good, man. That's good.
So he's gonna put more floating shelves along here, here, and then on this side, here, here, and then like below the TV.
We take it out, we can have a
And this is gonna be his shoe display.
Yeah, light shoes.
Alright folks, so we're gonna show a little preview of the grand opening tomorrow. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.